Ohio Furnace or something like that. It's a guy who sells a lot of firewood from Ohio. Anyway, he was advertising this thing right here, chain locker. So it's a U.S. made product. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna U.S. made product. I'm gonna support it. So only issue is this. I mean, that's not gonna last very long, unfortunately. This one's pretty good. That takes a pretty good amount of effort. Anyway, we'll see. We'll see what happens, but so it's a great idea, actually. You know, if you have a bunch of chains, if you're in the tree service or you're a homeowner with a bunch of chains and chainsaws, this is great. This will be the one that I use for good sharp chains, and I don't like that. That's gonna end up flying open. This is something's wrong with this one, but whatever. So this will be the one for dull chains, and this is a 20-inch chain, I believe, and it doesn't fit there, but you can make it fit in whatever sections, you know, like you can make it work. I have a 36-inch chain here, so let's try that. Let me get some of this crap out of the way. That's a big chain. You can. So that's a 36-inch chain. It's pretty big. So, and it's dirty. It kind of works, kind of. Let's see. This is what I'm trying to avoid, as we all are trying to avoid twisting up the chain. But, you know, it's there, but not exactly ideal. Let's see. No, that's not how you want it. Nope. That seems to be it. And then just circle back on itself. And they do say that this is only meant for 20-inch chains. Let's see. That's inaccurate as well, because from center to center you got about 25 inches. So maybe the guy on the channel I was watching, yeah, I mean, it does say, I don't know if you could see that there. It says 20-inch chains. Only issue I have with this thing is that latch right there. And I'm sure if I call them, you know, they'll replace it. But you know what? It's not the end of the world. I don't want them to waste resources, and I send this back and then it probably ends up going in the garbage. Well, let's see. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's pretty, you know, you can hang it up, you know, just like that. You can hang it up just like that. Yeah. it would have been nice if this was on the back. You know what I mean? If that was on the back, that would be great, because it could fit flush against the wall. You know, the plastic could be thicker. I have that right there is the case for my MS660, and the plastic on that is pretty tough. I'm sure you guys have one of those, or somebody has those cases out there, and they're pretty tough. This plastic is a little thin. I would have liked to have seen it a little bit thicker and tougher. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching.